Oh, just about. What is up, bass fishing freaks? Luke Reeser here from Too Fat to Hunt Outdoors. Where's Brian at? Right there.
What's up?
Got Brian out of the house. He's recovering from knee surgery and he's kind of gimpy, but he's been house ridden for like 3 weeks.
Yeah.
So he needed to get out of the house, and so did I. So we are down here at the Mississippi River. It is early December. Some of the backwater bays are starting to freeze up. We're gonna see if the Pimpin Crestliner can plow through them, and today we're gonna chase maybe some bass with jerk baits. But we've got with us today our Vexlars, and we've got minnows, we got wax worms, and we got big reds. We're gonna go try to maybe get on some crappie, some perch, some panfish, who knows. So I even brought my ice fishing rods today. Ultralights, ice fishing rods, we got jerk bait rods, the whole works. We're gonna see if we can make something happen. Stay tuned, donkey hunting starts right frickin' now. All right, folks, so we got into the back of this bay here. There was about 2 inches of ice we had to bust through. I don't know how well you can see our tracks coming in, but the old Crestliner went for a heck of a ride. So we kind of zigzagged and opened this up for us. So we're gonna be fishing through ice chunks. But Brian says he's marking fish on his Vexlar already. So I think the jerk baits are out of the question today, Brian. In the backwaters at least, but that's all right because this is really what I wanted to do anyways. So we're gonna jig around, see if we can make it happen, get some lunch. I'm just waiting for one to just grab it. Oh, it's gonna be so awesome. Fucking 14-inch crappie. Could you imagine? No, yes! Oh, hell yeah.
It works.
Look at the size of that bluegill. Woo! You just made my day. Painter Waxies. All right, folks. Since Brian caught a fish, what the heck?
Nothing.
Look at my treble hook.
Disintegrate?
Yeah. I wonder if it got caught on something and I had to rip it off. I don't know. I don't remember. Well, I guess I ain't using that right now. Well, since Brian just caught a bluegill and he says he's getting it to work, marking fish and everything, we'll bust out the ice rods. Got the old cotton candy on here. It's the color of my jig.
So you have to.
We only bought 1 container of Waxies.
Can you get Brandon to go buy us some, bring us some more?
Somebody's gonna if we get on them. Splooge the end of it there. All right, let's go to work with the tickle stick.
Oh my gosh!
I'm so excited. That's how you clear ice. Was that one on the bottom? The fish, I mean. Oh, hooked up. Oh, it's a good one. Yes, I love it. No, you're going home with me. Oh, I love it. I love it. You lift that lid up. Thank you. Oh, it just made my day. Made my day. All right, folks, let's do that again. You have no idea how good that felt. I've missed this sport for a while. If you haven't watched my last video that I made, 5 ice fishing tips and tricks, go ahead and watch it. This is the 3mm. I'll link it down in the description below. But this is the 3mm frostbite jig right here, cotton candy. It's my favorite jig in the whole entire world. And I got a waxworm splooged on there. And it is a little difficult getting everything to work perfectly when you break up ice chunks and you're fishing through ice chunks with 2-pound test, an ice rod, and a Vexilar. But you just got to move around, and you know, when the ice chunks are floating here and they're not over here, you got to move around a little bit. But yeah, we're gonna do this again because I just got lunch in the live well. You're an a-hole. Tangled up in the Vex. What you got there? Another little gilly? Woohoo! Good job. They're moving around. I got a mark, but I don't know if it's a fish. If it is, it's a little bluegill. Oh, it's gone now. There's one. Wake him up like he's gonna munch it. A couple of red marks. Then they go bye-bye. There he is. Oh. No. Little guy. Had to play cat and mouse with him though. Well, he got her good too. Little Gillian. I don't think that was the mark I seen at first though. It's a pretty big mark. Woo! It's been a while.
Oh my gosh.
They biting it? Ooh, that's the big one. Throw him in the live well. What color are you using?
Wonderbread.
Wonderbread.
Here we go.
Oof. Jesus.
Getting a little bit bigger.
He's schooling me. Mommy. Yeah. Dinner for you? If you don't, yeah, I do.
I was reeling it up and all of a sudden, the line just took off.
On the waxy still or minnow head?
I was on the middle head. I was on like 4.
Nice.
I was reeling it up. I was like bringing it high in the column. And it just took off.
There he is. That'll keep.
You want that one?
Well, I only got 2 in there. Let me see him. Why don't you give him me? Huh? Let's throw him back.
Alright, well. There's at least one here.
At least one. Jesus. Not fair, Brian. Not fair. Ooh, bass? Ooh, look at you.
Look at this little guy.
Oh, come on. I just had a bite. There we go. On him, Brian. We're on him.
They got one?
Yeah. Little bluegill. Little baby. It definitely felt good to catch a fish. It's been a long time. My phone's down there, don't care. Don't know if your picture's saved or not. But I was more worried about getting that fish. Well, folks, that's a wrap. The Crestliner is put back in the garage, and she's going to take a little nap because she's a little tired. We really beat her up today, pushing through that ice. It wasn't too terrible. I mean, most of that ice was like an inch thick. There was a couple spots there where it was a little thicker than that. But had a lot of fun doing something different, you know. And it was really, really nice to get the ice rods out and the Vexilar out and do that. I've been waiting to do that for so long. 2 years ago, I was so ready to hang up ice fishing when everything started opening up, and I was getting back into bass mode so bad that like I was bass fishing in like March when like the bass don't bite very much around here. You can get on them every now and then, but not consistently usually. There are some places where you can, but anyways, what I'm getting at is last year when the ice melted, I was actually disappointed. I wanted to keep ice fishing. It's been hurting me deep down in my plums since March. I wanted to get back out and ice fish, so it felt really good to get out and do that. I don't think it's going to be too much longer before we're going to be walking on the ice. It's not going to be real safe ice, but I'm going to get on some of it, and I got some other things in the process working up here that are a work in progress, and we're going to be doing some different things here in the next week and a half, 2 weeks. So yeah, don't go anywhere. Stay tuned to Too Fat to Hunt Outdoors because we got some great things happening in the next couple weeks. Plus, we got some hunting videos coming out, and we got some bass fishing videos that were stored that are coming out here pretty soon too that you guys haven't got to see yet. Some really cool videos that Dawson's working on, and they're going to be out here pretty soon. See, we didn't catch any big ones today, but we caught some fish, and I guess that was better than nothing. You know, I've been quarantined for the last 11 days. That's why you have not seen me out doing stuff. The freaking stupid COVID got me, and then I got pneumonia, and I've been down for like 11 days. I've been down and out. I was like on my deathbed for quite a while, and last 3 days I've been feeling really good and getting back out there. I had to get out of the house, man. I was driving myself nuts. I cleaned all my bait caster reels, like 17 of them, I got them all cleaned up. I got line on my walleye rods, fresh line on my ice fishing stuff. I'm freaking ready to go for all that stuff. So don't have to do a lot jumping into that stuff. I read like 18 books, watched about 160,000 movies, every Happy Madison production since like 1988 I rewatched. But yeah, you'll have that. You got to take that quarantine stuff seriously if you do get that virus, because we want that stuff to go away. We don't want it to keep circulating. So I did my part. Anyways, if you have not yet subscribed to Too Fat to Hunt Outdoors, go ahead and do that right now. Hit the bell to get notified every time we put out a new video. Clobber that thumbs up button. Luke Reeser signing off. Always remember, you are never too fat to fish.